Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani gadega kanhon na po ilaka terna, hakathan riwa jong ka East Castles District, kabahapo ka jelam jong serdar kani ka ilaka, uba Don Borwell Marbanyang, kilawan kiyo siya kani kanong ba Shillong, banyak kendo kerpang ikinong patay kubor, henne ka sngi ka sipotrek benai risau arzakat pra. Hakani ka je kendo bat kinong patay kubor ha Shillong Preslam, kani ka kanhon kalayato, basibenta ban kentewi kikam jong kai pertai. Hakathan ilaka terna, shen ke darbar senong terna, kan sa pelong ya katamasa ke baars ngilantar, ke bolong ru kum ke jing sedang, ban penpau perthai ya ki jing don jing em, kemariang hakani kathan, bat ban pelelat pelelenti ya ki samla, kani kathan ban yok kam yok jam. Ya kani katamasa, ke ba on tip kum ke terna Living Root Festival, on pelong hakahnyo bat pratrek unai weng, mentau snem ahajakat pra, bat ketong hi ke bahakmat halor ke jing pelong ya kani katamasa, ha unai weng, kalong bahau neu benai dang mi bon kisok kipai nemar hakani kata masa on persang ban penyak yau bai tek tangi kijing bam tenrai hakani kijing kendo abat kinong patai kubor lai dan langru u secretary jong ka tourism movement committee jong ka ilaka terna ba wasli majau bat hakani ka festival on penpau perthai ya kijing don jing em jong ki jaka jong kai perthai kibaran haki south ligishnong jong ka ilaka terna bakan thop ya ka snong terna nong thamai mau shamong bat ka snong sophe
ka berkongsan dan ke jing tu objectives jom kene ka jing pelong jungi kene ka Terna Living Root Festival nani ka mangila manong roka village tourism festival ka berkongsan kalong ban promote ya ka tourism nang ta ka eco environment but countame ban penyok kam yok jam di samla to sustain unemployed youth. Ti mereka sim ke Banangkong bago darbaснong yung terna ita ka kala sim yung senjam ban rai ru da darbahi yung ka ilaka ban prolong yung ka festivals angkat ki trelang ki trap dan ki committee prepare yung ka darbaснong mereka sian ke Banangkong hakathan yang kasora civil subdivision bangin sim yang mereka senjam kum kawai na kidor wasnong kawai yoi bangi day la kumno ban penne pusa ban syakri lani ban ya kamariang kenang baki ki bau blai terang munong thau yang i rabu la ai kin me kin sa ti ngin pelong ya kani kumbang labu untuk yang tarik agak nyau tarik jauh nubamba balaga pra tarik akan daw kabang pelong ya kani hati ni himai kalong ba ni kuat balok nono baro ki kinaisin bentar kabang ki store ki basin ki bentar boper bandon hakani kasi kemon kimio ban sei ki jimbam tenrai
ban pelong ya Terna Living Root Festival Lakarsan langru dakatna tourism jong sarkar Meghalaya ringkat ke Indian Council for Cultural Relations bat kani katnan kan pala jingmot khambon hakalang culture dakaba warlamru ikiken hon jong ki wei pat ki jai ben reu jong kani kathan chete lamingi bani sementalang hakarinsan ke bansa perlong haki arsngi jong unai weng bat ya ke jinglot jing sap nakabata kini kiken hon bawan yalam nabar an pelot he dakatnan ICCR.
Idea of Terna Living Root Festival. It's a communion of tourism and the culture. So ICCR's part would be on the cultural part, because as you know, the culture of Meghalaya, the traditional culture, lies in the villages. So through this festival, ICCR would like to promote, the local indigenous culture, different performing arts in terms of. So in this festival, we will see some of the local performers also participating, as well as a sort of multicultural exchange. Since Living Root is quite famous nowadays, we would like to promote it beyond Meghalaya also, so that more and more people come and see this and could be a part of this festival. So we are bringing in troops from other part of Northeast India also, like Mizoram, Manipur, like that. So this cultural troupe will be coming all over to Terna village to perform all traditional form of cultural items would be showcased. So not only that, in terms of preserving the ecosystem and in terms to be the eco-friendly, in that way the theme itself taken up by the village authority, it is so good that we felt that it will be an added value if we join hands together and come up with a nice cultural event as well as a message to the people who are coming there from all over the world, like that. Double-decker bridge, Living Road Bridge is now famous, very famous. So through this, we would like to promote the culture of Meghalaya.